Hi boys and girls. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about an interesting topic, which is earthquake. Have you ever asked yourself what is an earthquake and how does it happen? Let's take a look at that fact. Earthquakes are a sudden and quick shock of the earth's surface. They are actually a type of way that the earth gets rid of some tension. More than 1 million earthquakes happen on Earth every single year. Surprisingly, they normally last for less than a minute, but can sure cause some damage. Earthquakes can sometimes be really scary things, but they are very interesting in how they form and why they do. Let's take a look at all you need to know about earthquake and fill your brain with knowledge. Here is an interesting question that you might ask. What causes an earthquake? Earthquakes usually occur on the edges of large sections of the Earth's crust called tectonic plates. These plates slowly move over a long period of time. Sometimes the edges, which are called fault lines, can get stuck, but the plates keep moving. Pressure slowly starts to build up where the edges are stuck, and once the pressure gets strong enough, the plates will suddenly move, causing an earthquake. Now, can scientists predict earthquakes? Unfortunately, scientists cannot predict earthquakes. The best they can do today is point out where fault lines are, so we know where earthquakes are likely to occur. Now, here are some facts about earthquakes. First, 80% of the world's earthquakes happen in the Pacific Ocean near Japan in a place called the Ring of Fire. Second, sadly, about 10,000 people die in earthquakes each year. Most of the deaths are when people are trapped in falling buildings. Third, Alaska has more earthquakes than any other U.S. state. They have had about 12,000 earthquakes in the last 30 years. And that was everything for today's lesson. I hope you enjoy it and you learned something new. Thank you for watching.